Hello everyone. I just wanted to have a quick discussion about Vimeo. You know that my workshop videos are on a Vimeo channel. Now I just wanted to explain about it. Vimeo is similar to YouTube. It's a platform that I put my videos on when we film them, and you are able to purchase them then. It's there's some free ones on there, as well as in-depth workshops that you do have to buy. We've got a really good setup. What you see is the overhead camera is filming everything I paint. I talk to you before and I talk to you during it and after, and you see me create my masterpiece as it goes along, and you can either join in and keep pausing and carry on with me, or the best thing I think is to watch it through, then start again when you've got your head around everything and have a go. The reason I use Vimeo is because it's very similar to YouTube, but what I like about it is you only buy the particular workshop that you're interested in. With YouTube you have to be a patron, and you know you'd be paying a monthly fee, and probably there's some things that I'll put on that you're not interested in. So rather than be tied up to a monthly fee, which is something I don't like doing, and some of the material that comes up every month from other artists, you know, who do this, you might not like. With me, you just buy one particular workshop that, you know, takes your fancy and you fancy having a go at. And there's also a little free introduction to everyone as well. So therefore you're not tied, you know, you just go on there, click on whatever link I put up regarding that particular workshop. It'll take you straight over to the Vimeo channel. Doesn't cost you anything at all to go over to Vimeo. But if you subscribe, which is free, that just means you will be notified when I do put some on, and also the free creative clip collection that I started earlier in the year. And some of these are only available to watch on Vimeo. You know, some are on YouTube, but some are only available on Vimeo. So it's just like YouTube, it's so easy, and I think one or two might be a bit scared about trying something new, but really it's so easy. And you just pay, you know, with PayPal or your card, and it's yours to keep. You can have it, you know, you can watch it as many times as you want, and keep it as long as you want. You've always got it. I'm always working on new Vimeos. It takes me quite a while to plan the actual workshop, just like when I'm teaching in person, and break it down for you to be able to learn in a simple way, and a way that you can follow on with my step-by-step guidance. Really, it's just like being in the studio with me, and I'm sure if you give it a go you'll really enjoy it, and you can build up your library then. You know, if you just buy what you like the look of and keep it, and then when you're at a loose end you can go back to it and try again, or do your own version of what I'm showing you, you know, and it's a really handy thing to have. So why not give it a go?